Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Discord account online on your computer from a browser. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Discord account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address discord.com and hit on enter. And over here guys, on the home page of Discord, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a login button available for us. Click on that login button and then you'll be directed to this login panel of your Discord, where you can log into your QR code. Also guys, by scanning this QR code from the mobile, if you're logged into your Discord account on your phone, you'll be able to scan it from there, but we'll be just manually logging in. To do that guys, enter your email address or your phone number with which you had signed up for a Discord account over here, and after that enter your password over here guys, which you had registered on Discord at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Discord account's password. And after that guys, and after entering your email and your password, simply click on the login button over here and then you'll be logged into your Discord account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your Discord account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.